Good morning, DJ. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good? It's Friday, February 21. Time is currently 9:21 a.m. What's up, DJ? What's good? What's good? I love this late start, I'm not gonna lie. I love the late start. So it might change my mind to just starting all my everything at 9:15 and just letting go of the 8:30 news embargo and shit. I might miss moves, but obviously it's all right. I'm gonna miss moves regardless. That's the only thing promised to me anyway. So, well, one of the few things promised to me, I'm gonna miss moves, right? But anyway, let's get on to it. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. So today I woke up quite late actually, but a decent enough time to get things done. But I was still quite late in terms of the times I want to be waking up. All right, like I said, this week has just been tragic, bro. So I'm just gonna charge it to the game, all right, and look to do better next week. All right. So woke up today at 8:01 or like 8:05 or something, like early eights. Yeah. I haven't hydrated yet, but I will be hydrating throughout this, okay? I did get to write down my goals, stretch and meditate, all right? And I read as well, okay? So I got the morning routine in, all right? Just arrived at my desk literally like when I started this, so I would say like this we was 9:21. I'll say like 9:20, 9:19. I arrived at my desk. Okay. As always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is my 2 bullets. Okay. Mental. It's Friday. I can't speak. Mental check-in. I'm feeling pretty good. All right. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. It's Friday. Okay, last day of the week. I'm excited. It's been an incredible week. So far. It's been an incredible week. I didn't really trade until just like yesterday was the first time I actually took a live trade, and that was my first and only trade for the week, and I'm done there. So today will be demo trading and tape reading. Okay, so no funded account trading today for me, all right. But yeah, other than that, I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, nothing to report, DJ. Nothing really to report. Nothing of note to report. Um, Today we have medium impact and high impact news coming out at 9:45, 10 o'clock. All right, that's why we're active here at 9:15. All right. So it's an optimal day to take a trade because we have medium and high impact news coming out, okay? Doesn't mean that our model will present itself, but hey, we're here anyway, collecting the data and gaining the experience. Risk going into today, not that I'll be taking any live trades, but risk going into today will be one. Okay, we're back at our lowest, all right, because we just taking too many L's trying to move up, and we're just gonna take it slow and steady, okay? Slow and steady wins the race. There's no rush here. All right. Yeah, risk will be that. My weekly condition is a buy program. Okay. I'm expecting the weekly candle to expand to the upside. Okay, so I'm in a buy program. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything has happened to change that weekly program for me, which it hasn't because I looked at it on my phone before I got here. So dollars continuing is rally lower. Okay, rally. Can I say rally lower? Rally really means like going up, no? It's decline lower. That's what the word. Uh, dollars continuance is decline lower. All right, my next draw on dollar, like I said, was this week. Daily busy. Okay, and it depend on how it trades at the daily busy. Okay, would depend if it's coming to this old monthly low or not. Okay, so dollar lower meaning risk on. All right, meaning NQ should be going higher, which is in line with my weekly program. So I love that. Okay, so we have a 4 hour CB here that should keep price lower on the on dollar. And as you can see, the daily CB, okay, with volume imbalance, all right, price came into it, failed to even make it to consequent encouragement, shows how strong of a decline is going on. Okay, so it came into it and then it kept it lower. Okay, so I wanted to see the CB if price was going to come lower down here to here. I want to see this CB keep it lower. Okay, so now I want to see this CB on the 4 hour. We also have another one higher. Okay, could potentially come in here because we have a volume imbalance with buy side here, take this buy side and then continue lower. But I want to see the CB keep it coming lower. So dollar lower meaning NQ higher. All right, which is in line with my weekly program. Love that. Love that. Love that. Love it. Love it, mate. You're having a bubble. All right. So as you can see, NQ same thing, right? In opposite directions, which is what we want to see, right? That's what ICT says. You want to see market symmetry, meaning if dollar's doing one thing, everything else should be doing another thing, which is exactly what I'm seeing here. So I'm happy and pleased about that. As you can see, NQ came into its busy, okay, with volume imbalance, while dollar came into its SIBI with volume imbalance, which kept it going down. Okay, and this one failed to hit consequent encouragement. Okay, showing the strength of the rally higher. All right, or its willingness to continue going higher. I should say. Okay, kept as you can see, the wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. The bodies are closing well above that busy. Okay, so came in, didn't completely fill it in, failed to even hit consequent encouragement. Okay, and turned around and is going back higher. We do have a buy formation on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm not seeing a low there. This key low, all right, swing low, this place is back above it. We have a fair value gap here, which price has obviously now used, all right, this busy to expand higher into buy side there. As you can see, we're taking yesterday's previous daily high there. And we're getting some retracement at that point currently. Okay, but my draw is yesterday's no Wednesday's high or Monday's Tuesday's high, okay, and subsequently, is that the word I'm looking for? This old monthly high here has been my draw for a while now on liquidity. All right, so it's amazing to see how price is just itching towards it. But yeah, so nothing has happened overnight. If anything, overnight price action confirmed my weekly bias. Okay, but it is Friday and it could have completed its weekly run and could retrace here, but we're here, we're active, we're collecting the data. Let's go ahead and note buy side and sell side. And then continue on. Well, let's talk a little bit about yesterday's trading. Let's talk a little bit about yesterday's trading before we go into note our buy side and sell side, because some of the lines will need to be deleted. All right, all right, all right. We did have a 15-minute setup here. Okay, all right. We're below kilo. All right, swing low. This place is back above the kilo. Fair value gap here. All right, Bob's your uncle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I wouldn't count this one. Yep, that was the 15-minute time frame entry there. Then we had 5-minute. Nothing on in the PM session on the 15-minute, really and truly. We do have this set up here. We took Asia session sell side. We have a tiny fair value gap here. That price could potentially want to come down into. Anywho, let's delete. Oh, I think yeah, we were watching this 5-minute chart trade, and as you can see, didn't take us out here. Gave us. We were watching that yesterday. Gave us 702 there. Yeah, I remember watching that. But yeah, we initially had this 5-hour set up. Then we had this 5 hours. No, but there was a low there that disappeared. As you can see, it's right here. It's a daily low. Okay, it was part of the last 3 days, but obviously as we progress, it doesn't become part of the last 3 days. There you go. So there was a low there that just confused me, but I was like, what the hell, man? That shit up. But anyway, we also had another setup here. Okay, swing low displays back above that key low there, fair value gap here. Okay, same one here on the 5-minute. Obviously, we had some sell formations on the 5-minute too, but they would have been a bust. Yep, and we had this on the 5-minute. And that was pretty much it for the PM session. The trade that we was watching before we logged out of here obviously took a loss, and then there was another setup right after that that resulted in a number of take profits. Yep, it was this trade. Okay, as you can see, it was watching, it came and took us out, but then obviously London closed. Okay, starting the lunch session, we also had a setup here, which didn't, which gave us handsome rewards, handsome rewards, handsome rewards. But anyway, this was the trade yesterday. Okay, it came to take us out a break even, but until this low goes, the trade was still valid. Okay, it stayed relevant. All right, and just rallied from that point, really and truly. We didn't get anything from the lunch session. Was really just the beginning of the lunch session. Okay, we did have a micro trade for 1250. Okay, kilo, swing low, displacement back above it, market structure shift, A plus set up there, fair value gap, fair value gap. Would have go into this fair value gap, stop below the swing -2, would have kept you in there. Another setup, post micro. Kilo, swing low, displaces back above it, A minus setup, fair value gap here, fair value gap there. Bing bang, biggity bosh, another setup at 1:30 open for the PM session. Kilo, swing low, displacement back above that kilo, market structure shift, fair value gap, sexy stuff, sexy stuff. Another setup here, 315, kilo, swing low, displacement back above it, market structure shift, fair value gap. And that was the business. That was the business for the PM session. That was the business. This was a 5-minute chart trade here. This was this trade. Bing, bing, bang, biggity bosh. Bob's your uncle. If he wasn't your uncle, he's your uncle now. That was the business for yesterday. Getting some nice price action here. This looks like something on the lower time frame. Macro swing high there. We do have a 5-minute setup. We took buy side. We took yesterday's AM session buy side along with previous daily high. And Asia as well from yesterday. Nothing here. This looked like a lower time frame entry. As you can see, doesn't matter if the 1 minute didn't give you something. Definitely the 5-minute gave you something. Also, 1 minute gave you something here right before 9:30 open. Key high, swing high, displacement back below it, market structure shift, fair value gap there. Nice trade there. Same thing that happened yesterday, isn't it? On the 5-minute though, this is the trade. We're above key high, swing high, displacement back below it, fair value gap right here. Sexy, sexy stuff. Right. This was the trade I was talking about in the 15-minute. We've come into that now. So let's see how price behaves inside of this VC on the 15-minute time frame. But anyway, let's go ahead and identify our buy side and sell side and make sure all the relevant ones that we need for today are on the chart. And the ones we don't need get deleted. Arrivederci, arrivederci. So it's Friday. We want to see Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. We want to see all things Tuesday. All things Tuesday. So that means this can go. Bounce. 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 Ticky ticky bounce ticky bounce ticky bounce ticky. Hey, 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 what did I delete that? Oh, okay. Look like a bunch of shit got deleted at that time. Can keep Asia. Okay. Can keep Asia. You gotta go. Don't know where you're coming from. I don't know where this is coming from either. Oh, that's that buy side there. If it hasn't been used already, it's getting deleted, boy. Okay, that's nice. Okay, you're lucky. You're lucky. You get to stay. All right, now let's go ahead and identify. Oh, no, 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 no. It was below price. Okay, so we gapped up there. Let's confirm. That was a gap up. Cool. What a beauty of a trade there. What a beauty. Like I said, it's Friday. Okay, it could have potentially done his. Yo, where are my 4-hour daily dividers on here? Just realized I didn't even have them on here. Do one more and call it a day for today. Brrr. Potential setup here. Key high, swing high, displacement back below it, market structure shift. We have a tiny fair value gap there. Let's see if we get another fair value gap confirmed here. All right, all right. Let's make sure what's needed to be translated is translated. Yesterday's previous daily low is down here. It's really not on there anymore. So it's irrelevant to me right now, but anyway, above price currently. This part needs to get streamlined. Needs to get streamlined. I need to figure out a way to do this part. Because it's quite annoying. It's quite jarring. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite jarring having to do this. Okay, above price anyway, let's get on with it. We've taken all the buy side above price that we would be considering anyway, but so we'll go ahead and identify them anyway. Currently above price right now, we have London session buy side, which price has already engaged, but can still be a factor. We already have a high in close proximity to it, so we don't need to draw that out. We also have Asia session high. Nothing wrong with having that identified on it. Let's do a skinny one. Let's use a skinny one. All right, we do have a fair value gap CB up in here. Let's demo it. Let's take breed it. Because I ain't prepared. Oh, here's out here. Selling -10 +2. 8. 102. Yeah, you would have been tagged in that. All right. Then we have London session buy side from yesterday, which was ready, which we have that trade in motion right now, actually. Nothing really relevant above it. Then we had Wednesday's previous daily high taken as well. So took multiple highs here. Okay, which is what's happening here currently. Below price, we have previous daily low. Okay, and we also have Asia session low. right there. We also have a clean London session low, fresh, which is in close proximity to a previous daily low, which has got grabbed right now. TP1 would be getting hit on that trade as we take London session sell side there. Just grabbed it. Still want to have it on the chart though. And then below it, we have fresh liquidity, which is yesterday's PM session and lunch session sell side. And that should be everything we need. Should we need it down here, we'll go ahead and withdraw it out. But that will be pretty much it for the last 3 days. We do have a 1 hour busy in here, which I'm eager to see how price behaves in that. It took that buy side. We have the consequent encouragement of this busy here. Okay. If price wants to go lower, that will be the next draw. We do have PM session buy side. I'm thinking maybe a lower time frame entry. Yep, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. We don't have the daily here. This daily ain't visible on there. Neither is that daily. Why is that two? It needs to be one. London. Two would have been smashed already. Brrr. Be high there. PM session buy side. Swing high. Displacement below. Market structure shift. A plus setup. This I can indulge. I can quench my thirst on this one. Head into TP2. I would like to quench my thirst on this one. Or should I just wait? What's the low price there that we could be potentially coming to? We haven't come to that 1 hour. I accept any risk that comes with this trade, even though it's a demo. I still accept it. All right. Back below. Oh, this is yesterday's low. Don't look like he wants to tag me in then. I ain't got no qualms with that if you don't want to tag me in. I ain't gonna fight you. I'm not gonna fight you. Because you know what? It's Friday. It's Friday. If you've made money throughout the week, this is another day to trade. For real. Can lose your profits and you'll be a pissed boy. Oh, sexy second charge trades out there. Next news is at 10. High impact. Oh, it's 7 minutes. I want don't what they want to be trading like. Yeah, this is not a trade I would take in real life, boy, because it's not within the 15 minutes prior to the news I'd want to be gaining at. Hey, it's Friday. It's a demo. Let the shit ride. Let that shit ride. I've had electrolytes in a minute, dog. See what God is saying because God, Capital One got a new look. Now you're looking so beautiful. Every other day we gotta survive. What is your body, please? Certified. Don't need no genius to verify. Give me a little na 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 na. I can get used to it. 10 o'clock news. About to hit the market. There it is. TP2. TP2. We're just gonna close this trade here on this demo account here. Because I'm no longer interested in you. That's the honest truth. But it won't let me close you. So no longer interested in you. This trade would be at break even now. But let's just leave it. Where is that? You have yesterday's PM session and lunch session sell side below price. Coming to that 1 hour busy. This would have just give you what 10102. Okay. 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 I would want to see it trade back above this kilo here. This kilo. Yeah. Now I'm interested. Now I'm sold. Even on this fair value gap because it's the fourth candle. If and when it confirms, that will be the entry point for me because it's the fourth candle. In the swing point, let's get ready. Stuff is crazy though. Tagged in there, 10, 12. Now we have this cell here. So that's a conundrum in itself. That's a big fat conundrum. Then we have relative equal lows down here too. So the cell might not be a bad idea. But I'm electing to stick with the macro trade. Okay, so we'll pay attention to this cell setup here. You would be getting tagged in that. Either way, I make money regardless of what side is going on. You get what I'm saying? There's gonna be a battle of the PDRAs. Which one is stronger? Where's price wanting to go? I'm thinking here downside because of this relative equal lows that we got down here. Okay. But also want to see where this 1 hour candle closes. Let's put a short on there and follow that as well. Yeah, closure below the Queensland encouragement. I mean, not the Queensland, mean threshold, because it's an order block. Oh, shit. No, he wasn't about TP1. Yeah. The sell trade is not look well, the buy trade is not looking so good now. TP1 will be getting hit. But yeah, you had to hit TP1 on that sell. Cool. Why? The reason I said that the buy trade wasn't looking good is because we got a closure below the mean threshold of this order block. If this trade was valid and it was strong, it was going to keep price higher, then we wouldn't want to see candle closure below the mean threshold of the order block. Cool. Let's see if 202 is in the cards for this trade. And it is. 202 hitting there, and we're close to 402 on that trade. Taking mad L's on his paper trading account. I just stopped caring for it at this point. But mad L's, boy. Mad L's. Mad L's. Whoa, that was 1,000. Oh, yeah, well, stop loss was hefty. All right, we taken sell side, PM session sell side from yesterday, along with opening range sell side for this morning. TP2 definitely hit if it wasn't hit before. TP4 there smashed. And now it would just be a run on left in the trade, and I wouldn't care about this trade no more. I'm not afraid anymore. Taking lunch session sell side as well from yesterday. We have yesterday's previous daily low below price. Do have a 5 minute setup there. If this Beverly Gap CB confirms. Mm. I was saying I'm inclined for the downside because of the liquidity we got. So what could I have done there? Possibly could have this trade, but I also would have gone to this sell too. Night dress, you looking so beautiful. And then the other day we go testify. You only your body, please certify. Only no juniors to verify. Give me so I can get used to your loving. Can never take you off. Steady your love in your body. So one, two, this didn't get tagged. Three, four. Four trades. One didn't get tagged. One was a bust. One gave you 502, other one TP3, and still counting. So all in all, you would be up in the morning, minus in this trade here, if you minus that trade. But we'll count it. We'll start from 8:30 and see what was up. Yep, this failed. This failed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wins outweigh the losses here, as you can see. So you big difference. Singing, we will, we will. In our dress, you looking so beautiful. Your body, please certify. Don't need no genius to verify. Give me love, na 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 na. I can get used to your loving. Can never take you for granted. Steady and loving your body. Wouldn't care about that. Would have a runner on that trade now. Yep, smashed. Oh, yeah. Steady and loving your body. Back in that busy. Back in that busy. We did take the 20-day low on dollar. Yeah, it's in the 20-day. Tuesday. Track change. The March. Still in December's contract. Give me love, na 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 na. Taking yesterday's previous daily low along with AM session sell side. Hitting TP5 and 7 on here. That means this trade, boy, was a banger. And that stop loss 2 on that 5 minute is crazy. That is a wild, was that? 52 ticks. Oh, what are you telling them? Yo, 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 to give you what? Look at that risk reward. 1 to 22. Stop playing. Even if you did the -1, which will be 1, and then a +2, which should take it to 7. It don't even matter at that point. It's still a decent amount. Still decent. Oh, okay, so we don't have this low on here registered, so let's go ahead and do that. Mad people, mad scammers calling my phone, boy. They're trying to get me. M15. Let's make it tick a little bit. Let's do the red. Let's extend to the right. And lastly, let's sync in the layout. And then we can unsync right here. No sync, just leave it there. Cool. Technically have a cell formation here. All right. Key high. We're above it. Swing high. Spaces like below it. Fair value gap here. But we also have a buy formation on the way, so I wouldn't be really. Well, let's see. Let's see. Fair value gaps gets confirmed here. I will be interested in that buy. Close to macro. So I would want to see the macro, but let's still follow this trade because it's confirmed. It's the only one that's confirmed out of the two. Yeah, definitely higher. Swing high here. Yeah, you would have been getting taken out that one for sure. Plus two, take you to 20. Yep, 2050. Yeah, I think both I'm not positive, so let's be positive. Doesn't take much to be positive. Yeah, like I don't know what plus two is, mate. I'm adding two to it. Oh yeah, this changed too. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I still would have took you out, like I said. So it's late in the game anyway. There is a tiny fair value gap there. Well, let's see what the macro brings. Sure, there was a 30-second trade there or 15-second trade potentially coming back into it now. Yeah, but not something I'd want that. You're looking so beautiful. We pull up the city for banana. And you know, oh yeah. And every other day we go, God is your body, please. Don't need no genius to give me a nana. Ah, I can get used to you. Can never take you for steady in loving your body. Your mad calls this morning. Leave me alone. uh, tiny, tiny feather we got there. Tiny one. Right here. We're in there now. Like I said, close to the macro, I'd want to wait and see what macro offers. And if there's a move there and I miss it, I miss it. Simple. And you know, the belly full. Yeah. Red Springs. Homeschool was therefore beach farm. Great. Steady and loving your body. One, two, three, four, right here. Yeah, there was a trade on the 1 minute. I'm not even gonna lie, there was a trade on the 1 minute. It's just that fair value gap was just so tiny, bro. But yeah, it is what it is. This is the fair value gap here. Steady in love, and it came into the order block there. The fair value gap is a fair value gap. It don't matter the size. It don't matter the size. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That was the trader bringing her own thoughts and opinions into that trade there. But that was a very fine trade. Plus, it was close to the macro. Either way, I should have known they was going to use the macro to expand it higher. That's always a possibility. All right. We can still watch the trade and see how it pans out. Nothing to lose sleep over. I said nothing to lose sleep over. One school was Monarch High School. Boyd Anderson High. 99, 99. All right, DJ, I go head out now, go a meeting. Who knew all of a sudden I'm a meeting girl type shit. But anyway, um, yeah, yeah. Yeah. How I did well today. Let's go ahead and close the day out and close the week out. What I did well today, I showed up powerfully, okay, got 1% better in these price action. Okay. I'm proud and pleased with myself for not feeling the need to trade in my live account. Obviously, when I'm done, I said one trade a week on that and I'm done for moving forward. Okay. So I've been sticking to it and I'm proud and pleased with my discipline. Okay, so yeah, this pretty much why I wasn't really worried by the show. Like, let me wait to TP1, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, um, yeah, where I fell short today. I would say my wake up time. Oh, okay, even though I woke up at a decent hour and got everything on my morning routine, I still want to be waking up 2 hours before I have to be in front of my desk, okay? And I haven't been doing that. So, but this whole week I haven't really been doing that. And that's obviously somewhere I'm falling short. But hey, I'm hoping to do better next week. All right. All I can do is try to do better. All right. Show up and do and be 1% better than I was previous day, previous week, previous month, previous year, right? How I can improve for next trading day is just keep doing what I've been doing. Okay, keep sticking to the procedures and the protocols. All right, don't deviate from the course that you're on. Don't let short-term adversity detract you from the course that you're on. Okay, keep focusing, keep being disciplined. And obviously where you want to be, you will eventually get there. And right, and you won't even be worried about these days as much. All right, but it's been a great week of price action. Okay, an incredible week of sticking to my model, my procedures, my protocols, actually having everything all in one place in front of me. I will go through it before my session, okay, post my session throughout the day. I have it on my phone, so I look at it throughout the day, okay, just so is embedded in my brain, and I don't currently always have to be looking at it, right? It's just something that is like, okay, I know this is happening. I have to do this. I have to do that. Something that I want to be like second nature for me, okay? Other than that, it's been a great week. I'm gonna back test this week as always. I have class today. My test tubies just started their demo trading. Okay, so will be interesting to see how they did this week on their demo trades. How many trades they took will be interesting to see as well. To see, yeah, should be a good data collecting for them as well. So other than that, next week, let's see what our schedule is looking like next week before we get out of here. Okay, I'm late for this meeting, but hey, this is more important, bro. It was a last minute meeting, so ain't nothing I can do about it. Anyway, next week, Monday's looking like no trades, no trading day, but we'll see what Econo Day is saying on Sunday night. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every other day, is an optimal day to trade. Looking like okay, Thursday and Friday, late early starts and towards the ending of the week. I like that. Okay, and late starts at the beginning of the week. All right, so I'm still this week will determine whether I want to do the 8:30 thing or not, right? But anyway, that's our schedule for next week. Other than that, like I said, it's been an amazing week. Every week, I'm learning more and more about myself, about these markets, about these candlesticks, and it's just improving my analyst. My analyst is like on a different level right now. But anyway, DJ, I'll see you next week. Have a good weekend. Use the weekend to build the life that you want. Don't slack. All right. Study, back test. Um, yeah. Remember, hitting targets and goals all 2025. Deuces. Happy hunting. Ciao, hasta la vista. Catch you next week. Yeah, I will update you next week on obviously lunch session and PM session of Friday. We'll talk about it on Monday, all right? But other than that, we out. Deuces.